Alright y'all, welcome back to another episode of Destination Wild. Glad to be being able to put another video on for y'all. And we're fixing to go out, leaving this morning, and gonna be out overnight on a boat. Gonna be doing some shrimping. I've never done shrimping before in my life, so we're gonna be trying to catch some fresh shrimp, and then we're gonna be also trying to hopefully catch some rockfish. And some of the guys have bear tags. Unfortunately, I can't shoot no bear because of I'm not a resident yet. So yeah, we're gonna go out. It's a little bit, sucks a little bit that I can't shoot bear, but we're gonna go out and have fun anyhow, catching rockfish hopefully and some shrimp. So stay tuned, and hopefully we can get some good footage for you guys, some fishing footage, shrimping footage, and hopefully a few bear kills. But we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. Alright y'all, we are here in Seward, Alaska, and we are fixing to put the boat in and hit the water. Sorry I didn't get no footage of us driving down here, but I'm going to try to keep it fairly short. So, but no, it's a little bit nasty weather today. Hopefully it's supposed to clear off this afternoon and start sun popping out and clearing off. So looking really forward to that. And but no, it's pretty nice scenery down here, beautiful mountains, and we are fixing to head out for our overnight trip. So stay with us and we'll bring more action to you. This is our construction crew trip, spending the night out over the night tonight, and be doing fishing and shrimping, bear hunting, whatever, you know, just partying it up. We are off. Gorgeous scenery out here. Okay, so like this.
Okay, go ahead and check it.
Off number 2.
Just a little bit because I want to drift kind of down along here, so. How far are we from the shoreline, do you think?
70 feet,
yeah.
60.
We're 107 feet deep.
So what we got up here is part of the Harding ice field. It's pretty awesome stuff.
I see you standing out there away from
It does move a little bit now that I'm on it.
Does it?
Yeah. A little bit.
Catch you later.
Alright guys, we were cruising along looking for bears and we spotted one. And we got 3 guys on here that can kill 3 bears apiece. So we got one, Daniel here, my buddy's fixing to go shoot this one. So gonna pull a stalk off and go for it.
You're gonna take them before you shoot. Let me know.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, nice shot, Daniel. He's down.
Yeah,
He's down, but I don't know where you hit him. First bear on the ground, boys, of the trip.
Alright guys, we pulled it off, got the first bear on the ground of our trip, and Daniel, I guess it looked like a spine shot on the first one, but it put him down like a sledgehammer and then we had to finish him off. But it's a real nice bear, it's nothing huge, but man, he's got a pretty coat and making awesome bears. Is this your first one? Or?
yeah, first bear.
Well, this is his first Alaskan black bear, so hopefully in another month I'll be able to tag one too. So we're just out here having a fun crew trip and doing some fishing and stuff. So hopefully we can maybe put another 1 or 2 on the ground, hopefully, and have some fun doing it.
Alright guys, we are pulling our first shrimp pot up of our trip.
Hoping to have some shrimp on, but never know.
It could go a little faster, but we're coiling up the rope.
Yeah, it's faster than I thought it was. You see, how do you like my pulley?
There's our pulley system that we're using.
And last thing, it was like, oh man, we need a pulley. So I went rummaging around and run them old shins. And came up with a pulley. So the thing's greased and everything. No sense resetting it there because if those things are there, I don't think shrimp are there.
First pot is a bust.
We got a bunch of lice or something.
We got some kind of life in there.
Yeah. Something like sea lice or something.
I'm on them whenever you want to take them, Gary.
That's a tiny little bear. I'm gonna shoot him anyway. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Nice shot.
Oh yeah.
Dropped him like a sack of taters.
All right. Yeah, he's done.
It's almost big enough to keep, but not.
So that's what?
It's a dusty rockfish, I think.
Either a dusty or a...
Okay, I'd keep it, I think. I mean, we can allow it how
I'll probably
many.
keep it.
Yeah, we're allowed a lot.
I mean, for considering
take it,
the time of day and
yeah.
gas running
Yeah, see how it's...
So we just got done finishing supper up.
Come get a close up of this, Dave. There's a good old campfire s'more there.
Mm-hmm.
You betcha.
Chocolate, peanut butter, and marshmallows.
Mm-hmm. Good old French press coffee.
That's right.
Oh, shit.
Then we get to go to sleep on this view and wake up to it too, so yeah.
Eat the hot dog, man.
Dude, I am full. I've been snacking. I drowned 2 teas since we anchored up.
Oh, 2 of them. And a cup.
Daniel's hooked on another one, and we've caught a few so far this morning already. You got one, Garrett?
No, I missed mine. I hit the bottom and I missed my bite, so they probably got my bait.
Okay, what's this one?
That's either a copper. That's probably a copper. I think that's a copper.
That'd be a non-pelagic.
That's also a non-pelagic.
Yeah.
So yeah, all we're catching is resonant ones. There we are. Yeah, here we go.
Serious?
Yeah. Still not very big, but it looks good. Another copper. It is. So we're back.
That's a thingamajig. Same thing I caught.
Yep, it is. Stick him. No, maybe not. There he is.
Nope. Got off.
No. I don't know how much. There's ham. There. Oh, you mean for seasoning or what?
Yeah.
I whatever works.
Breakfast time on the boat.
First you start with eggs in the water.
Right.
Eggs in boiling water as they cook. You just keep scrambling them up. When you get done, you open the bag up, you throw hash browns, maybe some ham, sausage, cheese, salt and pepper.
Basically.
Throw it back in,
And you mix it.
and then you mix it up. Once it gets all nice and gooey, it's all ready.
That's what you call a hearty man's breakfast right there.
I can't reach. I tried.
You're a better driver, I think.
I should have just stabbed the buoy.
I don't see any orange.
That's a bust.
That's a bust there, ain't it?
Some more lice. That's it.
It's not even as many orange. Yeah, you don't really want to.
Pulling our second pot up out of the 4 that we have.
Oh, stop. Same exact thing.
So here's all the rock bass we caught.
Alright, you guys, thanks for coming along with us on our trip. We had actually a really successful trip, and got 2 black bears down and got some rockfish, and we did not luck out on any shrimp, so but it was a very enjoyable trip anyhow. Great time with the crew, and so thanks for coming along, and thanks for watching. And if you guys don't mind, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Destination Wild. And yeah, it was an amazing time seeing God's country. So thanks for coming with us.